We'll guide you through how to transfer files from a PC to an iPhone using the Apple Devices app. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really convenient to do. For whatever reason, you've got some type of file on your computer which you want on your iPhone or multiple. So to get started, make sure you've got the Apple Devices app. This is the app which allows you to go and back up your iPhone and do other things. To go and get it, press search at the bottom and you want to go and type in Store or Microsoft Store. Click on it to open it up and you can press the search at the top and go and type in Apple Devices. Then you want to go and click on it, make sure you've got it and you can go and press install here. Mine says open as I already have it. Press the button here to go and get it. Mine says open as I already have it. Now you want to come onto the iPhone. Here we are. What you want to do is you want to go and open up the App Store like so. Head to the bottom right and you want to go and press search at the top. What you want to do is go and type in Chrome like so. So we're going to use Chrome to do this. Don't worry, it'll make sense. Press get, I've already got it and it says open. After you've gone and got it, you can quickly go and open it up. Then what you can do is we can go and plug the iPhone to our computer. So I'll go and plug one end of the cable into the iPhone and then go and plug the other end into your computer. Just go and have it unlocked like I do here. When you plug it in, you'll get a pop-up on your iPhone, press trust and enter in the passcode like so. Then Apple Devices should go and load. Now you'll be on the general page. You can do different things here like doing a backup, update it, etc. But to get started with the file transfer, you need to come over to the left to the list of options. Go down and find files and click there. Now you're going to go and see the apps. You want to go down and find Chrome. Click on it. Now what you can do is you can come over to the right here and we can go and start choosing the files. What we now need to do is go and find the files that you want to go and transfer from the computer onto the iPhone. So you can go and open up the File Explorer, press Documents over to the left. I'm going to go and open up this folder here. You can then click, hold and drag to select the files you want to do this with and you want to go and drag them in like so. Now just go and wait and you can go and see they go and populate there like that. And you can go and repeat that for more. You can also go and hold Control and select the ones you want. After you've gone and got them in the list here by dragging them, you need to go to the bottom right and you can go and press sync. This is doing a backup in this case. I'm just going to go and skip it for this guide. On the iPhone, I have to go and trust the computer again. As I said, I'm going to go and skip the backup and just do the sync. Like that, it's now completed. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go and find the Files app on the iPhone. You can drag down and search if needed or find it on the second page. Press browse in the bottom right. You can go into locations and press on my iPhone and come into Chrome. And you're then going to go and find the ones that you went and transferred. So for example, I transferred this image here. I can tap on it and there it is. Of course, you can then do what you want to with it. You can move it, etc. But that's it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more how-tos like this.